The quiz question states, the positive value greater than zero that the fork system call returns is the process identifier of the parent. The question from the student is, I wanted to ask you, is there a mistake here? Usually students tend to forget what the actual value returned by the system call fork is when this value is greater than zero. So first of all, let's see all the return values. -1 when there is an error, a new process cannot be created. And then we have two processes, and in each of those processes, fork returns a different value. When we are in the child process, in the process that was created, the fork returns 0. And in the parent, the process which called this system call, it returns a value which is positive greater than 0. And it is actually the process identifier, the PID of the newly created child. And it is the only possibility of the parent to know the PID of the newly created child. It is important for you to remember that. Otherwise, there are other functions which return the PID of the current process or the PID of the parent process of the current process, and they are getPID and getPPID. And yeah, that is about it. Thank you. Good luck. Bye.